Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most transformative technologies of our time, edge computing. By the end of this video, you'll understand why it's changing the game for everything from your smartphone to self-driving cars and why it's poised to go viral in the tech world. Let's get started. First things first, what is edge computing? Imagine you're streaming a video on your phone. Right now, that video is being processed in a massive data center hundreds of miles away, then sent back to your device. But what if that processing could happen right on your phone or a nearby server? That's edge computing, bringing computation and data storage closer to where it's needed, reducing latency and speeding things up. In simple terms, edge computing is like having a mini data center in your pocket or your neighborhood. It's all about speed, efficiency, and real-time processing. So why is edge computing suddenly everywhere? The answer lies in the explosion of data. With 5G, IoT devices, and AI, we are generating more data than ever before. Sending all that data to centralized cloud servers just isn't efficient anymore. It's slow, expensive, and sometimes even risky. Think about self-driving cars. They can't afford to wait for data to travel to the cloud and back. They need to make split-second decisions. Edge computing makes that possible by processing data locally in real time. Let's break it down with some real-world examples. In smart homes, edge computing allows your devices to communicate instantly. Your smart thermostat adjusts the temperature before you even realize you are uncomfortable. In healthcare, wearable devices can monitor your vitals and alert you to potential issues without sending data to the cloud. And in gaming, edge computing reduces lag, giving you a seamless, immersive experience. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. From retail to manufacturing, edge computing is revolutionizing industries. Now let's geek out a little. Edge computing relies on three key technologies. Number one, micro data centers, small localized servers that handle data processing. Number two, 5G networks, ultra-fast connectivity that enables real-time communication. And number three, AI and machine learning, algorithms that process data at the edge, making smart decisions on the fly. Together, these technologies create a powerful ecosystem that's faster, smarter, and more efficient than traditional cloud computing. Now let's compare edge computing to its older sibling, cloud computing. Cloud computing revolutionized the way we store and process data by centralizing everything in massive data centers. But as powerful as it is, it has its limitations. Here's the key difference. Cloud computing is like having a supercomputer in another city, while edge computing is like having a microcomputer right next to you. Cloud is great for heavy lifting and long-term storage, but edge is faster, more efficient, and perfect for real-time tasks. Big players in tech are already betting big on edge computing. Amazon Web Services, or AWS as we know it, Greengrass, Microsoft offers Azure, Edge Zones, and Google is pushing Google Distributed Cloud. NVIDIA is even bringing AI-powered edge computing to autonomous vehicles and robotics. These companies are investing billions because they know edge computing is the future. And it's not just the giants. Startups are also innovating in this space, creating niche solutions for industries like agriculture, logistics, and entertainment. But as they say, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Edge computing comes with its own set of challenges. Security is a big one. With data being processed locally, how do we protect it from hackers? Energy consumption is another concern as edge devices require more power to operate. And then there's the issue of scaling. How do we manage millions of edge devices efficiently? These challenges are real, but they are not insurmountable. Companies are already working on solutions, and the future looks promising. So, what's next for edge computing? Experts predict that by 2030, over 50% of all data will be processed at the edge. We are talking about smarter cities, more advanced AI, and even new forms of entertainment like holographic concerts and immersive virtual worlds. Edge computing isn't just a trend, it's the foundation of the next digital revolution. And the best part, we're just getting started. Now, let's bring it back to you. How does edge computing impact your everyday life? Imagine you're at a concert and the artist uses augmented reality, or AR as we know it, to create stunning visuals. With edge computing, those visuals are rendered in real time without any lag. Or maybe you're shopping online and the website uses edge AI to recommend products instantly based on your preferences. Edge computing is already making your life easier, faster, and more connected. And as the technology evolves, its impact will only grow. One of the most exciting aspects of edge computing is its potential to reduce energy consumption. By processing data locally, we can cut down on the massive energy usage of centralized data centers. Plus, edge devices can be powered by renewable energy sources, making the entire system more sustainable. Of course, there is work to be done to optimize energy efficiency, but edge computing is a step in the right direction for a greener tech future. Want to be part of the edge computing revolution? There are plenty of ways to get involved. If you're a developer, start exploring platforms like AWS Greengrass or Azure IoT Edge. If you're a student, consider specializing in IoT, AI, or networking. These skills are in high demand. And even if you're not a tech expert, you can still stay informed and advocate for the responsible use of edge computing. The more people understand this technology, the better we can shape its future. Let's recap. Edge computing brings data processing closer to the source, reducing latency and improving efficiency. It's powering everything from smart homes to autonomous vehicles, and it's only going to grow in importance. Edge computing isn't just a buzzword, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. And as we move into a more connected, data-driven world, it's going to play a central role in shaping our future. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about edge computing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from this channel.